Now here we have an interesting sum. An isosceles triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle. Now AB and AC are equal sides, equal to 25 centimeters each, and BC, the base, is 14 centimeters. Here find the radius of the circle. So what we are given is a circle OR. It means that the center is O and the radius is R. And a triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle, the sides being 25, 25 and 14. And we are required to ascertain the radius of the circle, OA, OB, OC, or any one of them. All will be equal, of course. OA will be equal to OB, will be equal to OC. So the radius of the circle. Now, concentrate. Now first draw the perpendicular. It will bisect. AD will be perpendicular and also bisect BC. So the 14 will become 7, 7. This part BD will be 7 and this part DC will be 7 because the perpendicular will bisect the base. Now concentrate only on the shaded portion, this triangle, the shaded portion. So this is a right angle triangle, and by Pythagoras theorem you can say that AD square, the altitude AD square will be AC square minus DC square, that is 25 square minus 7 square, which is giving you AD as 24. So this altitude we have got as 24. This full altitude we are getting as 24. That is step number 1. Then, having found the altitude as 24, now we proceed as follows. This is 24 we have got. Now, till O, it is a radius. OA is a radius. So, this part is the radius. OA is the radius. So, if the total is 24, this must be 24 minus R. The total is 24 and OA is the radius. So, this part will be 24 minus R. And if we join OB, then OB will be equal to the radius. OB, a line joining the center and the circumference, this will be the radius. So, now we are going to take this triangle. If we take this triangle, then what we get? We are taking this triangle, and now we can look at this figure which we have drawn separately, concentrating only on the shaded part. This triangle is what we have to concentrate on. This is 24 minus R, this is R, and this is 7. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can have OB square, the radius square, is equal to OD, which is 24 minus R whole square plus 7 square. This is the equation. Now we can solve it in 2 ways. Either we can expand this 24 minus R whole square as A minus B whole square and get R equal to 13.2, or this should be square. Or we can use A square minus B square to be equivalent to A plus B into A minus B. A minus B into A plus B, that also will give you the same equation. R equals 13.02 centimeters. So once again, we look at the shaded triangle where up till O it was radius. The total was 24. So this was 24 minus R. OB was R and this was 7. And using Pythagoras theorem, we got R equal to 13.02. But there is one more method, a direct, quick and shortcut method. Let's see. Using formula of an angle inscribed in a triangle, it is a product of the side divided by 4 times the triangle. The triangle is inscribed, that means the circle is circumscribed. So, the radius of the circumscribed circle is given by product of the side A into B into C divided by 4 times the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle we calculate using the Heron's formula. Semi-perimeter is 25 plus 25 plus 7 divided by 2, and there is a semi-perimeter 32. So, S into 32 into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, the square root of the entire product, giving you 168. So, radius of the circle is given by product of the sides, 25 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 14, multiply all the sides, divided by 4 times the area, 4 times 168. This also gives the same answer, 13.02. There is a formula for the radius of a circumscribed circle. Radius is the product of the side division 4 times the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle is found out by finding the semi-perimeter and using the formula square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. The area being 168, so product of the side divided by 4 times the area is also giving the same answer, 13.02. Thank you and goodbye.